Hello everyone, I am Marilyn B. Lengson, Master Teacher 1 of Marilyn Elementary School, Municipality of Jerry Emilio Aguinaldo, Division of Cavite. I am going to present my action research entitled The Effect of Differentiated Activities on the Academic Performance of Selected Grade 4 Pupils. For context RATIONALE, according to Gizmondo 2011, the pupils' performance in mathematics in the National Achievement Test results is deteriorating. Similarly, based on the online article entitled Tutored Philippine High School Obtained Low Scores by newsinfo.inquirer.com, almost two-thirds of the country's high school fared poorly in the National Achievement Test in 2010, with some 67.10% of the school getting below average NAT scores. Education Secretary Armin Luistro instructs school officials to exert greater effort in uplifting NAT scores among elementary and high school students. Furthermore, the Learning Outcome Assessment of pupils' performance in all learning areas with an average MPS of 86.05 during the school year 2019-2020. Various measures are undertaken by the pupils such as Filipino with an average of 86.93, English is 85.19, Mathematics is 84.81, Science is 85.05, Araling Panlipunan is 84.96, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao is 88.24, Edukasyon Pangtahanan is 87.35, Mother Tongue is 86.15, and MAPE is 85.75. Based on the results, mathematics is the lowest among the learning areas. The effect of differentiated activities in mathematics aim to assist the pupils in improving their mastery in the different skills as required in the most essential learning competencies in mathematics. Additionally, the 5 modules in Mathematics Quarter 1 will help to improve pupils' comprehension, computational, and problem-solving skills. This action research on differentiated activities in mathematics primarily dealt with the effect on the performance and attitude of the selected grade 4 pupils towards mathematics. For the research question, the purpose of this action research is to study and determine the significant implication of differentiated activities in the mathematical performance of selected grade 4 pupils in teaching modular distance modality. Specifically, this action research aimed to answer the following questions. What is the performance level of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics before and after the intervention? Is there a significant difference between the pretest and post-test scores of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics? Lastly, what are the implications of the findings of this action research for the development of mathematical skills of the learners? For the proposed innovation, intervention, and strategy, the differentiated activities in mathematics was being proposed by the researcher to improve further mathematics performance of selected grade 4 pupils, especially in their areas of weaknesses. Additionally, the proposed differentiated activities in mathematics and adapted 5 modules in Mathematics Quarter 1 were used by the researcher to identify the academic performance of the selected grade 4 pupils in mathematics in teaching modular distance modality. For the research method, for the participants, the pupils enrolled in grade 4 Macopa at Bayan Elementary School for the school year 2020-2021 were chosen as respondents. There were a total of 33 pupil respondents. Data gathering method. In gathering the data for this study, the following steps were undertaken. Construction of 20-item tests that will measure the performance level of the selected grade 4 pupils. It is a teacher's made test It must be validated by the key teacher in mathematics, key admin in mathematics, school head, and the district supervisor. Administration of pretest. Implementation of the intervention program, administration of the posttest, and comparison, pretest, and posttest results. For data analysis plan, for problem number 1, summary statistics such as percentage, mean, and standard deviation were used to determine the level of the performance of pupils in pretest and post scores. For problem number 2, the t-test was used to determine the significant difference of the mean scores on the pretest and the post-test of the pupils. Discussion results and reflection. For problem number 1, what is the performance level of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics before and after the intervention? The table represents the obtained mean in the pretest and post-test in the level of the performance as evaluated from the respondents. The computed mean is 11.09 with the SD of 4.06 in the pretest, whereas the computed mean in the post-test is 15.76 with the SD of 2.66. There is the increase of 4.67 or 42.11 percentage increase. For problem number 2, is there a significant difference between the pretest and post scores of the grade 4 pupils in mathematics? The t-value is negative 5.53. The p-value is less than 0.001. The result is significant at p less than 0.5. The computed p-value is less than 0.001. Hence, the hypothesis of no significant difference is rejected. This implies that there is a significant difference between the pretest and the post-test. For problem number 3, what are the implications of the findings of this action research for the development of mathematical skills of the learners? The differentiated activities in mathematics and adapted 5 modules in Mathematics Quarter 1 help the pupils understand the lesson in mathematics easily. As the results, the differentiated activities in mathematics help the mathematics teacher disseminate the mathematics lesson to the pupils with the guidance of home facilitators in teaching modular distance modality. This intervention helped the academic performance of the grade 4 Macopa pupils in mathematics improve. This is my proposed action plan. This action plan aims to improve the mathematical performance of the grade 4 pupils, particularly at Bayan Elementary School in the municipality of General Emilio Aguinaldo. It also aims to strengthen the pupils' mathematical competencies, especially in their areas of weaknesses. The specific objectives are aligned with the strategies to be utilized, resulting in a highly coordinated plan flow. Supports and guidance from the school heads, teachers, and parents will be required to properly execute the various program. So this is my proposed action plan in mathematics. The objectives, strategies and activities, time frame, person involved, and expected output. For the objectives, increase numeracy skills. For strategies and activities, provide differentiated activities and strategies in teaching mathematics using localized and contextualized materials. So for objectives, create appropriate activities and strategies suited to the level of the pupils. For strategies and activities, develop a program, project to increase the mathematical pupils' performance. Example of this is the Project DILAS in mathematics. The objectives is provide alternative differentiated assessment strategies. So these are all my references. I personally and sincerely thank the organizer of the 5th Cavite Research Conference and everyone for the opportunity and for listening on my research study.